Hey everybody, the Vintage Vegan Scott Matlock here at Scraps. Just remember, for the animals, like, share, and subscribe. That's what we need more than anything, is to get it out there so everybody can see. So please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care. Peace. Love you. All right, everybody, this is C-Pod. This is for lost dogs and strays. So if you lost your dog, it could be down here. Take a look at this video and see if you see your dog. If he does, give him a call. All the information will be here on the video. So let's go take a look at him. Alright everybody, that is C-Pod. So if your dog's missing, give Scraps a call and come down here and pick him up. I mean, it's how easy is that. I did the video for you. Just see which one's yours and come pick it up. And if you know somebody else who lost their dog, let them know too. So anyways, take care, and I'll see you next week. Peace. Love you.